You are welcome to yet another class of our maths. This is maths and physics class where we teach physics and mathematics in depth for your understanding. We have taken some laws of indices, and today we are going to be looking at negative reciprocals or negative index. Negative index, which are also referred to as reciprocal. I'm going to look at that law, how it is operated in indices. Last class, the video we dropped last was on reciprocals. That video was to help us understand how we operate reciprocals in mathematics. And we just said during that video that reciprocals means the opposite, the numerator taking the place of denominator and denominator taking the place of numerator. So we are going to apply this in this law. The essence of taking that topic was to give us an insight of a better understanding of this topic. So negative index, what is the law and how is it resolved? The law states that if a number n is raised to a negative power minus a, it says that this is equivalent to 1 over. Just note, this negative sign means 1 over n raised to power a, n raised to power a. That is what the law says. So if a number, for instance, is raised to a negative power, it is equivalent to 1 all over the number raised to the power. Meaning, once you move n over a or n raised to power a to the denominator part of the fraction, the sign, which is negative, will change from negative to positive. So also it is, if you have this and you are converting to this has now moved to become the numerator of the expression. But the sign of the power will not remain the same. It will change from positive to negative. Let us have a numerical example of that. Take for instance, if we have 2, we have 2 raised to power minus 4. What is the equivalent of this? It is equal to 1 all over 2 raised to power 4. That is what it means. The same if we have 3 raised to power minus 2. It is equivalent to 1 all over 3 raised to power 2. So that is how the law is applied when resolving indices. 2 raised to power minus 4 is equal to 1. Because of this negativity will make it 1 all over 2 raised to power 4. You see that the negative sign has changed to positive. Then if we have 2 raised to power minus 3, it is equivalent to 1 all over 3 raised to power 2. Okay, if for instance we are asked this to make 1 all over 4 raised to power 5, what is the equivalent of this if we want to express it in another form? It will be equal to 4 raised to power minus 5, because I have removed the 1 all over, meaning the plus 5 will change and become minus 5. So also, if I have another one, for instance, we have 1 all over 6 raised to power minus 3. Remember, this is negative 3. If you want to get the equivalent, it becomes 6 raised to power 3. It has changed from negative 3 towards positive 3 because there is no longer 1 all over. But for this, there is 1 all over. It is changing because there is no longer 1 all over. The positive will now change to what? Negative 5. This is negative 3 changing to positive 3. So this is just the reverse of this. And these are the reverse of this. That's how we're going to end that for today. So please follow this page, follow my and share, comment and like this page and this account. Thank you for watching.